We're in a very special boat today. This boat is the first 233 with a single engine that we have done, and I'm quite impressed. I'm one of those guys that advocates twins and the formulas, and although it's been done many times as a single, I was a little bit nervous, but I can tell you now the single 300 Verado just performed beautifully. Obviously, being a single on a formula, you've got to drive it a little bit more, use the trim tabs a little bit more, but in terms of any sort of conditions, driving it in a head sea, it's same habits as your twin rig. You've just got to be a little bit more conscious that you've got to use your trim tabs a little bit more in certain situations. But other than that, what we've noticed is that a total weight, this is what you're all going to love, of 3.06 on a trailer. So now you're in a position to be able to buy and set up a rig like this and be under 3.5 tons. So all you guys with your 200, 300 series cruisers, mate, here's the boat for you. 420 litres of fuel, 300 Verado with a hardtop. Have a good look at this boat, guys. It's not a windscreen job or a wave breaker, it's a hardtop, and it's coming in at 3.06. 420 litres of fuel, we're getting average fuel burn of about 1.2, 1.3 kilometres a litre. So you've got a huge range. So really, here it is. You've got a formula, single outfit, single outboard, and capability of at least 400 kilometres round trip.